Hello everybody, I'm here today to do a little experiment. I need to clean this nasty car mat, and I thought I'd do a little, concoct a little thing to see if I can get it clean, because it's pretty bad. It's got like oil and God knows what else in there. It looks like it's got some food, like some kind of chili splashed on it, you know, all kinds of nasty stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this product. It's a soil stain remover, which I've never heard of before, but it's been under my kitchen sink for years and I've never tried it. So I'm going to try that, and just regular old Purex liquid detergent. Now, I am not in any way paid to endorse these products, just to let you know right off the bat. If they work, if it works, bravo. If not, I'm not an expert carpet cleaner, so we'll see. So I'm a little bit disabled here, so I'm going to put the stain remover on first. It says to let it soak for a few minutes, and then I'll wet it down. I'll kind of wet it up a little bit, and then put a little bit of this detergent on, and see if I can get it out. Usually, and it's perfectly fine to do with most car mats. You can put them in the laundry machine under the gentle cycle. However, I'm not going to do that with these mats because they're so heavily soiled, and I don't want to get some nasty residue inside the tub of my laundry machine. So give it a second here, and I'm going to put some of this stuff on and see how we do. Might be kind of a lot, but it's pretty bad, so I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes like the bottle says, and then we'll do a little bit of cleaning. Okay, we waited a few minutes, and now we're going to put a little water on it and some detergent and see if I can get this thing clean without using a washing machine. Really bad down here. I kind of put a lot on, more than I would put in the washing machine for the load. So, all right, I'm gonna hose it off and see how it looks. I think I put too much on, man. Shit ain't coming out. Flooding my patio. I use like 500 gallons of water to rinse it off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final result. Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Came out good. A lot better than I thought. Still got a little stain up at the top, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Since it works so well, I think I'm going to try it out on my house carpet. I got some stains in there, so I think I'm going to try this process in there, but not quite so wet, obviously. Remember to always check the products you're using. The stain remover I used said to test on an inconspicuous area to make sure to check for color fasting. So anyways, folks, thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the little bell for notification more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.